on the city in crisis. Today is a deadline for Detroit Emergency Manager Kevyn Orr. He's supposed to have a financial quarterly report out today. At the same time, he's still trying to make deals with creditors. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is live at City Hall. What's in the report, Jim?
Joanne, I wish I could tell you. We've been anticipating it all day. We've been watching our email. We've been checking with officials up in Lansing, including the governor's office, Treasury. They've not received anything yet. We were told it would be coming out in only a few pages. This is one of the last 2 reports that the emergency manager put out last month, June 14th, his proposal to creditors, and then there was also a public report. Check it out. It's been a busy couple of weeks for the emergency manager, Kevyn Orr, down here at City Hall. He's been meeting with his staff. His staff has been meeting with creditors. Right now, the city's deficit is $18 billion. We were anticipating the new report because that figure could increase. Kevyn Orr told us last week of that $18 billion, $11 billion is unsecured. Money is owed to the 2 city employee pension funds. Money is owed to retirees' health care, as well as Wall Street creditors. It's that group Kevyn Orr has been meeting with behind closed doors. The employee groups told us last week they're frustrated that they've not been given any specific proposals to try to shore up a deal. Kevyn Orr told us last week we could be just weeks away from a Chapter 9 bankruptcy if he does not get the concessions he's seeking, which is about 10 cents on the dollar. We could still get the report sometime this evening. Joanne, Jeff?
Jim, you reported earlier in the day there's a deal with some creditors, at least one anyways. What do we know about that?
That's in a filing that went to federal court. The city of Detroit had to file a lawsuit several days ago against an entity called Syncora Guarantee. That was to preserve $170 million annually that comes into the city from the 3 Detroit casinos. Syncora has a secured debt of $1.4 billion in swaps. That was money, swaps were bought by the city to fund the pension funds. The city owes those swaps. Syncora was seeking that casino money to make sure that it didn't lose, but that is apparently where the deal is, but it's been a vague filing with federal court. We're still trying to work that one out, and even if that is a deal, that's a very narrow group of creditors. There's still a large list to get through.
Lots of work left to be done. Jim, thanks so much.